Hi guys, just heading over to Piotr's BRR Refurb Property over in Bretton. Heading there from our office, which is in the Alton Southgate area. Just going to drive to Bretton and give you a tour around the house. Follow me. Hi guys, today we're joined by Piotr, who's giving us a tour of his BRR refurb deal in Peterborough.
Yes, so this is it, a 3-bedroom property, mid-terrace property in Peterborough at Bretton. 3-bedroom with a garage. As you can see, guys are working on it already. We're currently replacing roof membrane and majority of the roof tiles, as it turned out there's a bit of a leak.
Yeah.
That was damaging the property inside as well. So that's what the guys are doing now.
Oh, perfect. Let's go have a look inside. What works are you getting done on this?
Right, so as you can see, that the roof is being done and pretty much everything inside. So new floors, painting, decorating, plastering. All the ceiling, majority of the ceilings needs plastering as well.
Yeah.
Downstairs needs rewiring as well, which has been already done, I think. New kitchen, new bathroom, obviously. So pretty much everything, really.
Wow, brand new house basically.
Yeah.
Are you doing any of the work yourself, or just getting trades in?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. No skills or patience.
Yeah.
So I think it's best that way. Plus, obviously, I prefer to use my time to find deals and investors rather than doing refurbs.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, should we look inside?
Yeah, let's have a look.
So is this the living room?
This would be the living room, believe it or not, still a bit of a state. But as you can see, the ceiling's been plastered already.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the living room needs rewiring still. There are some sockets need to be moved as well.
Yeah.
But otherwise it's okay. Good progress. The
ceiling's been freshly plastered, so they just rewire, putting carpet down.
Laminate floor.
Okay, yeah.
Yes, laminate floor's been ordered already as well, so we're just waiting for the delivery. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the progress actually.
Yeah. How long have you had it so far?
Completed 3rd week of December.
Yeah.
Considering that obviously we had festive period.
Christmas.
Christmas. The guys started literally the day, I think somewhere down on Christmas Eve already. And between Christmas and New Year. So yes, pretty happy.
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent. Shall we go further? Shall we have a look what's going on in the kitchen? So it's quite spacious kitchen diner. We expecting kitchen delivery on the 18th of...
What kitchen you got with?
Magnet.
Okay,
Magnet. We have good discounts through LNPG.
Yeah.
So it's usually the obvious choice is either Magnet or Howdens.
Yeah.
Really. Very good quality kitchens. So yes, kitchen's been rewired already, as you can see, I think. Previous system, previous wire was dangerous. I mean, electrician found some burned wires in some of the sockets. The fact that the house hasn't burned down yet, it was a bit of a miracle. I think a leaky roof was protecting it a bit. So that's it. So the kitchen will be brand new. New kitchen again. It will be plastered all over.
Then just lino going down in here.
Lino, vinyl floor as well. So yes, it's going to be nice and beautiful and brand new. Tenants will receive brand new house pretty much.
Yeah, that's the good thing about it. They're kind of doing the refurbs, isn't it? They get a brand new house,
Absolutely.
nice area.
Yeah, nice quiet area. Surprisingly, I was quite surprised when we spent a few days here already supervising the guys, and the area is really quiet as well.
Yeah.
It's quite green, plenty of trees, but very good for the family. So yes, again, one of the double bedrooms. So there are 2 double bedrooms and 1 single in this house. So that's one of the double bedrooms. You can see again, ceiling's been skimmed over. Guys are working on fitting new radiators as well.
Yeah.
Will be again upstairs, low maintenance laminate floor. And that's about it in this room, really. Most of the rooms will require the same amount of work, so new floors, ceiling skimmed over, and new radiators, etc. And that's it, really.
Fantastic.
Required completely new ceiling, as the majority of the leak roofs, the roof was leaking into this bedroom. So the ceiling was pretty much knackered, so we had to take it down and put new plasterboards and plaster it over. So
That's all fixed now.
That's all fixed.
Yeah.
It's completely fixed now. So yeah, the bathroom. Yes, I was wondering what to do with the bathroom. Currently, it's tiled over, so the tiles are actually not too bad. They just require a good clean, and they'll be fine. However, I will take down the power shower, replace the bath. We'll put a new bath, potentially new sink and a tap and a toilet. And put just a lino on the floor as well, vinyl floor on the floor, just to make it nice. New shower screen as well. All the silicones will be replaced as well.
Yeah.
So eventually it'll give you this nice, fresh new look as well.
Yeah, I suppose really it's not going to cost too much, is it? Just to get that looking brand new, nice and new.
It looks pretty sort of scary now. But you know, after a good clean, some tweaks, new bath, new taps, and it will look very good, very nice, very modern. So the bath, there's a little room as well, and it's pretty new. Behind those doors there is a boiler, which is combi boiler, which is I think a couple of years old. So that's a bit of a bonus as well. I don't have to change the heating system, upgrade heating system, which is a massive cost saving as well for the project. So yeah, that's pretty fantastic.
So you're doing quite a lot to this garden, aren't you?
Yes, absolutely. So as you can see, it's a mess currently, and I want to make it nice, pretty, and safe for the family, especially for children playing in the garden. So some of the fence will need repairing as well. Things like a gate in the garage will have to be repaired. All the hedges will need to be trimmed to look nice as well. We're going to actually put turf here, so it will be nice, brand new grass for children to play, great for the family. So yeah, it's all about making it nice, livable, pretty, and safe.
Yeah, perfect. So now the most important thing that people want to know: what are the numbers on this?
Yes, absolutely. So the purchase price, 120,000, which is a pretty good deal for this area. Refurb cost probably up to about 17,000. And then GDV 165. We're hoping for 165,000 once the project is completed.
Yeah. So total cost kind of 137 and then 165. So this is kind of BRR, so you're keeping this, going to refinance at some point, pull pretty much all of your money out.
Yeah,
a good
most
chunk.
of the money.
Yeah.
Obviously, there are solicitors, legal fees,
Yeah.
etc., stamp duties as well. You need to add to that. But essentially, yes, that's a BRR project, buy to hold,
Yeah.
and with a view to refinance after about 3 to 6 months.
Yeah. So what rental are you looking at once it's done?
We pretty much agreed 830 on this one.
830. Wow.
So yeah, by the way, the tenants are we have a verbal agreement with tenants as well.
Yeah.
Tenants are very, very keen to move in, and we've agreed 830 so far.
So 830 on a 165 end valuation. That's still a really good yield as well.
Yeah, pretty good. So I'm pretty happy.
So that's to be a good cash flow. You're on a good 450 per month cash flow. Do you think on that?
about that, about
Yeah.
450
Yeah.
a month, which is excellent. Really chuffed, really happy, really grateful.
Yeah, definitely fantastic project. Yeah, best of luck. Once it's done, we'll come back, have another tour,
Absolutely.
and give everyone an update.
You're most welcome. I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Take care.
Bye. If you enjoyed that tour around Piotr's BRR project, some really juicy numbers there, some fantastic cash flow per month. Absolutely incredible what he's done there. I'm looking forward to sharing the full transformation, the full before and afters with you in a future video when the property's been completed. But otherwise, make sure you hit that like button if you find this video good and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.